The fall of civilizations. How great empires collapse. Imagine a world where cities touch the skies, armies conquer continents, and kings rule with absolute power. These were the empires that defined human history: Rome, the Maya, Mesopotamia, and countless others. They built wonders, created laws, and left legacies that still echo today. Yet despite their power, all civilizations share one certainty: nothing lasts forever. Take Rome, the eternal city. For centuries, it stood as the pinnacle of law, engineering, and military might. But as Rome expanded, greed seeped into its heart. Political corruption spread like wildfire. Emperors were betrayed by those closest to them, and civil wars tore families and nations apart. Invasions by outside forces only accelerated what had already begun internally, a civilization crumbling under its own weight. Across the oceans, the Maya civilization thrived in the jungles of Mesoamerica. They built towering temples, invented complex calendars, and developed advanced knowledge of astronomy. Yet even their brilliance could not save them. Prolonged droughts, overpopulation, and political infighting led to famine and rebellion. Cities once bustling with life became silent, swallowed by the forest, leaving only ruins and mysteries behind. Even the cradle of civilization, Mesopotamia, the land between the Tigris and Euphrates, tells a similar story. Sumerians, Babylonians, Assyrians, they rose with innovation and law. But constant war, resource depletion, and political chaos tore their empires apart. The rivers that gave life also witnessed the downfall of kings. What did these stories teach us? That power without wisdom, wealth without responsibility, and unity without trust is fragile. Greed, betrayal, war, and chaos are not just historical events. They are patterns, warnings written across time. And yet, within their collapse lies a lesson of hope. Civilizations may fall, but ideas endure. Rome's roads still guide travelers. Mayan knowledge informs modern science. Mesopotamian laws shape the foundations of justice. Chaos destroys empires, but it also plants seeds for the next generation. No matter how powerful, nothing lasts without wisdom and unity. The rise and fall of civilizations is a reminder that every choice, every action, and every decision shapes the future. Will we learn from history or repeat its chaos? The story of empires rising and falling is not just a tale of the past. It is a mirror to our own world. Every society, every community, and even every individual carries the potential to build or destroy. History whispers its secrets. Strength lies not in power alone, but in wisdom, unity, and the courage to act justly even in the face of chaos. And so, as we look at the ruins of Rome, the temples of the Maya, and the deserts of Mesopotamia, we are reminded: empires fall, but lessons endure.